Welcome back to Olsa Tools Grease and Gears, where professional grade tools meet real world performance. Today we're diving into two absolute game changers in the wrench world, our 120 tooth stubby and regular ratcheting wrench sets, available in both metric and SAE. Our ratcheting wrenches feature a fixed or full 180-degree pivoting head, letting you approach nuts and bolts from just about any angle. Combine that with our ultra-precise 120-tooth gear and a 3-degree swing arc, and you've got surgical precision in even the most confined spaces. Each wrench features a 6-point ratcheting box end that grips on the flats, not the corners, to reduce rounding. And if you're dealing with already damaged bolts, no worries. The patented bolt extractor box end grabs onto fasteners that are up to 80% rounded and gives you the upper hand in seconds. Let's break it down. The metric set covers every size from 8 to 19 millimeters, no skips. The SAE set, all the way from 1/4 inch to 13/16. These sets are built from industrial grade chrome vanadium steel, heat treated for strength, and finished in that signature mirror chrome that resists corrosion and wipes clean after a hard day's work. Every set includes a slick wrench organizer tray that keeps your tools portable and ready to deploy, in the garage, on the go, or on the track. Bottom line, these flex head ratcheting wrenches are the kind of tools that save your time, your knuckles, and your patience. Tight angles, awkward fasteners, rounded bolts, no problem. That's a wrap on today's episode of Grease and Gears. Check out the 120-tooth ratcheting wrench sets at olsatools.com. Until next time, keep it cool and greasy.